Hi, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. I'm right outside the 2019 Toyota Avalon. It's completely redesigned, but today I'm going to talk about a feature only available on the higher trim level vehicles. It's a really neat feature. It will save you a bunch of time, and if you have two different drivers, it's definitely a time saver. And I've ran into a few customers that absolutely need it in their next vehicle. What is that, you may ask? So the feature I'm talking about is found on the driver's side of the Toyota Avalon. It is called the memory seats. It allows you to preset two different settings for the steering wheel, the seat, and the mirrors, because everything is power, so you can set the exact spot and comfort that you like. And so that feature is really nice. So a thing to mention as well, it's kind of, if you have two smart keys, you want to program it per smart key. So you might have two different settings that you like as far as the seat goes, and your wife might have two different settings. So make sure you guys know which smart key you guys have, because it's programmed per smart key in the vehicle. So it's just a really great feature to have. So to show you that feature in action really quick, you can set the seat. You can go forward, back, up, and down. So you can go up, you can go down, you can go forward and back. You can recline, that's seats. And then you can also do lumbar support here. And then on the steering wheel, you can go, it's power, so you can make it go in or out. So I'll make you go in a little bit. And then to set the seat, you just hit the set button right here. Sorry, I'll try and show it to you better. So you can hit the set, and that will save the setting of the seat. So if you want to go back to exactly where you were, you just hit seat 1, and then if you want to hit another one, if you want to save a second one, you hit set, and you hit this the 2 button too. So that's kind of how you program the seat. And that's how you program the Toyota Avalon Limited, the memory seat function. Like I said, you can program the seats, the steering wheel, and the mirrors, and it's just a really great feature to have. So if you have any questions, we are #gatewaytoadventure here at Gresham Toyota, and I'm Scott. Thank you so much. Peace. Bye. Gateway to Adventure. Bye, Avalon. Have a good day at work.